13 Top AI Excel Tools to Boost Spreadsheet Productivity. Microsoft Excel is a widely used spreadsheet software that offers a plethora of features to streamline data management and analysis. 1. Microsoft Excel, built-in AI tools features. Microsoft has integrated various AI-powered tools into its Excel software, making it more efficient and user-friendly. 2. Microsoft 365 Copilot for Excel. Microsoft 365 Copilot is an AI-powered assistant for Excel that helps users become more proficient in working with spreadsheets. 3. AI Excel Bot. It incorporates AI capabilities to understand natural language queries related to Excel functions, formulas, and features. 4. Formula Bot. Formula Bot is an AI-powered tool designed to help you create formulas in Excel more effectively. 5. AX is an AI-based add-in for Excel that focuses on automating repetitive tasks. 6. Sheet Plus. It is an Excel add-in powered by AI that provides advanced data analysis and visualization capabilities. Sheet Plus leverages AI algorithms to uncover insights from your data and presents them in a user-friendly interface, enhancing your overall data analysis experience. 7. Sheet AI. Sheet AI is an Excel add-in designed to assist users in creating predictive models and making data-driven decisions. 8. BotSheets. It is an AI-powered tool that enables you to automate various tasks in Excel using natural language. 9. SheetGod. SheetGod is an AI-powered Excel tool designed to streamline data analysis and visualization. 10. Lumexer AI is an Excel add-in that leverages machine learning algorithms to simplify advanced data analysis tasks. 11. Prompt Loop. It understands natural language queries related to Excel functions, formulas, and features, providing instant answers and examples. 12. Sheet Plus AI. It analyzes your data and offers insights, identifying trends, outliers, and patterns that may not be readily apparent. 13. Numerous AI is an Excel tool that focuses on automating tasks and analytics processes. Numerous AI is an Excel tool that focuses on automating tasks and analytics processes. 13 AI Excel Tools. MS Excel, Microsoft 365 Copilot, iExcel Bot, Formula Bot, AX, Sheet Plus, Sheet AI, BotSheets, SheetGod, Lumexer, Prompt Loop, Sheet Plus AI, Numerous AI. Embrace the future of productivity with these incredible AI Excel tools. Thanks for joining us today, and until next time, stay curious and stay productive.